Shoutout po sa mga taga-Real. Kamusta ang laban dyan sa Nigniugan, boss? Nasa Nigniugan ka ba ngayon? Shoutout kay Miss Echi Avaca Rinal at Jaysha Caraganilla. Welcome po sa live. What can you recommend for a plus size guy tapos di masakit sa singit? Plus size guy, ano pong waistline and weight? Anong waistline and weight mo, boss? Let me know po on our comment section. Size, waistline and weight po para malaman ko yung marirecommend natin. Aray ko. How to pronounce the brand? It's Bench. Bench po, Bench. May padding naman. Yes, totoo yan, Sir Pau Pau. Naglalagay po ako ng padding, ng plaster, and ng kabitiran mo, sir. Na joke lang, guys, joke lang. Talupi ko dito, guys. Yes po, may padding yan, plaster, medyas, tumbler. Lahat nilagay ko dyan. Check mo yung tropa mo, nandito rin. Pabati po ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kathy Tilagaylay. Welcome po sa live. 38 waistline, 90 kilograms. Double XL, Sir Rick. Go for double XL. Alin masakit na ulo? Pareho na lang, para hindi na kayo mag-ano. Why can't I see the shopping cart? Where are you from, Kaupan? If you don't see any shopping cart, there are two possible reasons. First is you are located from other countries because this live selling is exclusive for Filipino viewers or for Philippines. And second, maybe you're watching from a browser, so you need to download the app. Dwerk po, what do you mean dwerk? Kuya, nung ulo mas... Next one po tayo, next one. Kuya, pa-flex ng basket number 24. For basket number 24, eto po, wala po tayong actual sample lang ganyan mismo yung logo sa gitna. Pero same lang naman yan dito, guys. May nagkaiba lang talaga yung center niyan. So this one po is makapal yung garter. Ano nga bang gamit nito? Ito, guys, ginagamit po ito pang support sa Dragon Boss and Tweety Bird, lalo na kung nagwo-workout ka if you're an athlete. Yan, para ma-secure and para hindi ka magkaroon ng loss or hernia. So this is how it looks like. For your